instructions. Today, I just tell you how to install LabVIEW in your system and what are the different toolbox that are necessary for first time beginners. So first, you just go to Google and search LabVIEW download. It will just drag you to the National Instruments website, as you see, NI LabVIEW software. Over here, you just find out the basic information about LabVIEW. Now you just go to just download, click over download. Over here, you just need to select supported operating system like Windows, OS, or your Macintosh, Linux. Okay. Over here, in this, you just select your version. I am just selecting 2025 Q1. Next, as you see over here, LabVIEW 64-bit does not work with all toolkits. So that's why I just select 32-bit. Basically, 32-bit will contain all the necessary toolbox and it will just work with all the third-party toolbox also. So log in to download. You just need to log in. I just log in. Then you need to write down the password, enter the password, stay login. I'm just clicking. Now, over here, you just need to download, click over download. If you want to go with offline install, it will create around 40 GB file for you. Right now, I just go to only download. As you see, around 10 MB file is there. 7.9 MB file is there. Just click over here. It will just install National Instruments Package Manager. National Instruments Package Installer into your system. NIPM, it is called NIPM. I just accept all the license. Next, next, next. It will just install NIPM into your system. NIPM, or basically National Instruments Package Manager, is used to install the application or toolbox that are provided by the National Instruments only. If you want to install third party toolbox or third party application into your system, then in that case you just to install VIPM, that is for the National Instruments application you just go with NIPM, and for the third party application you just go with VIPM, VI Package Manager. Okay, so over here in this case I just need to select different toolbox. So the LabVIEW 2025 Q1 is the first necessary thing. After this, you just select according to your requirement. Right now, I'm just selecting the hard drivers like NI DECMAX, NI 488.2, NI Visa. Okay, so from here, you just select the basic. Over here, this is my VI package manager for third party instruments. Okay, you just install digital multimeter also. Okay, for the image over here we have different toolbox. So right now I just go with the default toolbox, or you can select LabVIEW real-time module also. Right now I just go with only this one. Deselect all these. Out of these, I just select the appropriate one. The report generation is not needed. Max C NIDAC Max support for LabVIEW. You just go with. Right now I just selecting only basic LabVIEW. After that, you just install through the NIPM also. So right now, just next, accept, next, just click over disable Windows Startup. Next, these toolbox or the files, these are ready to install. Next, so basic LabVIEW right now it is installing into my system. It will take around 20 to 30 minutes. If you just select all the toolbox, in that case, it will take around 4 hours or 5 hours. So right now it is installing. Now I show you how to install the apps or the toolbox that are provided by National Instruments. When you install your LabVIEW first time after rebooting, as you see over here, there is a NI LabVIEW 2025 Q1 app. You just click over here. So it is asking me to activate it. So I just click over remind me later, remind me later. So this is the window that will show you how to create project, or you just open existing one. So right now I'm not creating any project. I just go with new VI. VI stands for virtual instruments. So in the lab view, you just press Control T. This is my front panel. This is my block diagram, and over here, this is my control palette. Okay. This is my programming window. This is my result window, you can say. So now I just show you how to add different toolbox that are provided by National Instruments. So for that purpose, you just search NI Package Manager. So over here, this is my NI Package Manager app. I just click over here. Yes, it will show me the installed product in my system. So earlier, I just go with a control system toolbox. I just show you. So over here, I just press Control, click Enter. So this is my LabVIEW control design and simulation module. Click. As you see, this is, if I just select 32-bit, it is installed in my system. Okay. So this control and design simulation toolbox, it is not provided by LabVIEW in the initial installation. So you need to install this one through NIPM. Other toolbox also that are provided by National Instruments, you just go with this process. So I just show you another one. So I just go with biomedical toolbox. I just press biomedical. So over here, biomedical standards plugins, biomedical standard data plugin for Europeans. So these are different toolbox you can select from here. Let's say I just select this one. So it is installed for 2022 Q1. You just click over there. It will start installing into your system. Right now, in my system, these are the different drivers and toolbox installed in my system. Okay, so right now I just want to go with DAC Max toolbox. It is related to nearly all the different hardware like NI, USB 6000, one DAC card, LVS board. You just go with that one. So right now I just go with DAC Max toolbox. Click enter. So this is my NI DAC Max. Select this. I just want to install this one. Click. So this is deselect all other. Next. Next. So it will install NI DAC Max .NET NI DAC Max runtime into my system PXI platform. Next. So it is upgrading. And now it just install NI DAC Max into my system. Right now, total 42 drivers or apps are installed in my system. So after this, it will be increasing. In the next section, I just show you how to activate these toolbox through crack. Now, I just close this. It will ask me to reboot. So I just show you how to activate. I just go to the activator. Here is the NI license activator. As you see, if you want to activate right now in my system, LabVIEW 2022 is installed and LabVIEW 2025 is installed. So you just need to right click, activate, right click, activate, right click, activate. Over here again, right click, activate. So LabVIEW control design and simulation module is activated right now. So close this. Now I just again open LabVIEW. Here is my LabVIEW 2025. Now it is not asking about the activation. It is activated. Okay. So this is how you can activate nearly all the toolbox with NI license activator. So I just close this. Now we move to third party toolbox. So to install third party toolbox or application, you just go with VI package manager. When you just install NI LabVIEW, it is already installed with the basic files. So right now I just open it. This is VI package manager or it is called VIPM. For LabVIEW application, you just go with NIPM and for third party, you just go with VIPM. I just want to go with free. Sign in later, agree. VIPM 2025.1 version is there. It will take some time. So now I just go with VI package manager. So in the start, it just asks me or it just downloading packages. So let's say I want to just install a Arduino interfacing file. I want to communicate Arduino with LabVIEW. So how to do that? I just told you. So first, it will just download all the packages, third-party packages. Mainly, we just check. As you see, it is right now downloading. It depends on your internet speed and your system speed also. As you see, there are different third-party toolbox. So I just go with Arduino. So over here, there are four toolbox. This is Linux, Linux. Using this, you can control Arduino, Raspberry Pi, Big and Bon. So I just select this one, click over here, install. It will install Maker Hub Toolbox into your system. Click continue. I agree, accept. So it will install Arduino Toolbox in LabVIEW 2025. So we just show you. Let's just open new VI, Control T, right click. Over here, in this, there is no Arduino toolbox available. After the installation, there is a Arduino toolbox from Maker Hub is available over here. So I just close this window, minimize this. Yes, accept. So right now it is installing Linux or Maker Hub toolbox from Digiland into LabVIEW 2025. It is compiling. Right now 83 of 105 installed. Reference files. I just close this VIPM legend. It will hardly take 2 to 3 minutes. So now, as you see, these toolbox installed without no error or without error. Finish. So there is a green symbol. If you want to install these toolbox also, you just go with installation. So right now I just close this VIPM and just open LabVIEW, Control D. Over here, as you see, Maker Hub toolbox is available right now. Okay, so this is how you can install different toolbox from third party using VIPM and from National Instruments using NIPM. You can install application or different toolbox in LabVIEW. So this is all about today's lecture. Thank you.